y'all about to see shows how a complete novice I am, but I'm learning, and that's all that matters. I'm learning, okay? I started out the video, I'm putting this clip first. The video that's coming next, I already recorded that, but I recorded it like this instead of like that. So now the recording, the whole thing I record, is going to be like, it's not gonna be full screen. So all I'm doing is chatting anyway, nothing really to see but just to hear. So, but if you're new here, hi, I'm Wendalyn Lynette. Welcome to the channel. I'm back consistent, and until the upcoming vlogs, videos, reviews, hauls, all of that come out in the next coming weeks, go back and watch some of my older videos. They're mostly cooking videos, but go back and watch them, okay? Do that for your girl. And when you watch them, leave some purple hearts for me. Thank you. That'll let me know that you like them. Thanks so very much for y'all's support. Enjoy the video. See y'all next time. Y'all want to have a car chat with me? Let's have a car chat. Not that I got anything to talk about. Okay, let me see. I'm in the sun though. Ooh, that was nasty. Excuse me. I'm eating chipotle, in the words of my big sister. She calls it chipotle. I'm eating chipotle bowl. And I'm just sitting here waiting. I got an appointment. So I'm looking like I'm looking. But I got an appointment. So, how y'all been doing? I like to watch people car chats, but I don't know if other people like to watch it, because, especially when you're eating, because of this right here. People don't like smacking. So I'm going to give a disclaimer. When I eat, I smacks. Smacking makes your food taste better. It's a proven fact. Not only that, I'm in the car by myself. Yes, I'm recording this, but I'm giving y'all the option. It's a disclaimer. So if smacking bothers you, I'm smacking. Just FYI. So you might want to click off and pass this one out if smacking bothers you. Now, if I'm in a restaurant or something, you know, in the midst of other people, I try to curtail all of that, but I'm in my own space doing what I do. So it's pretty today. I don't want to come on, y'all, to just chit chat. And while I'm doing it, let me send some shout outs. Shout out to a few people here, but shout out to, I'm about to sound like I'm receiving a Grammy. First, my mom. Child, my mom be watching these videos I be making, and she just be so proud. Just sharing my videos and telling everybody, oh, Wendy on YouTube, go watch her video. Thank you, mama. Go watch her videos. Child, she be promoting your girl. I hear that. Thank you. I appreciate you, mother. Also, my big sister, she be on it too, encouraging, girl, record, get your phone out, where your camera at, get it out. Y'all, I got a hit. Okay, I'm gonna go on the rant about the camera in a minute. And my friend Daryl, he always got a word for me, honey. He always got a word or an encouraging, I don't know if something flew out my mouth. If it did, excuse me. But he always got a word or an encouraging post. He's saying all the time, that's my dog. Also, my cousin, Marty. Listen, he texts me, not often, but when he does, it be like, sir, how do you know when you supposed to text me these stuff? Because like when he texts me, it be like right at the opportune time when I'm like needing a little bit of push, a little encouragement. That ain't nothing but God. Thank you, Marty. Thank you. I mean, we always messaging each other, sending each other memes and stuff on Instagram, but I'm talking about text message, texting. So thank you to Marty, always. And he's been encouraging me about the videos too, telling me how good I'm doing. Y'all, because I'm consistent this time. I don't care what y'all say. I'm not talking about it no more. I'm doing. And Steven too. Steven, he be on it. He like, okay, girl, you need to learn that camera, because he bought me a camera and I'm scared of the thing. Let's get into that. I'm afraid of the camera, y'all. Yeah, I'm afraid. I get steak, but the steak be, sometimes the steak be overcooked. And it has that little, I mean, steak don't supposed to have no gristle in it. What's that little thing in the steak at Chipotle? That. It almost like a little gristle. I ain't no steak supposed to have gristle. I know it has fat in it, but the fat's supposed to be so. Back to the matter at hand. I'm scared of the camera. It's one of those little DJI cameras with the swiveling head. I'm afraid of it. It's first and foremost, it looks like it's too easy to break. And I just can't get it to record facing out, because every time I'm recording it and then it comes, got a little screen on it, it's recording me. It's like a selfie. But I want it to record outward, but every time I turn it, the little head be flipping around back at me. No, sir, I don't want you looking at me, little boy. I want you to catch everything out. I don't need selfie. If that's the case, I can just get a damn selfie stick. I don't need that. So I got fed up with playing with it, and it's back in the case. Y'all, my allergies. I don't have a cold. I don't want to be disgusted, but my allergies and sinuses are just not. And I'm getting hot in here. I gotta crank up the car. So yeah, I'm afraid. I just want to go ahead and get me a Sony blogging camera, but I don't be feeling like spending this extra money now. I mean, they're gonna have to wait a minute, or I just have to sit down one day. My son got impatient with me. Every time anything just frustrates me and I don't know what I'm doing, I just push it at him and say, here, fix it, do it. He got frustrated with it too and was like, okay, look, I don't know. So I don't know either. So I'm gonna just have to sit down one day and just figure it out. I'm just figure it out, I guess. Until then, I'm be using handy dandy cell phone number 2. I got 2. So this is my business phone actually, and that's my personal. So I just use my personal cell phone just for the videos. And I edit off my cell phone, upload off my cell phone. I pay for extra storage because I gotta go through and delete. So y'all, this weekend I'm going out of town, and I started not to. I really didn't want to because I got too much going on. I got too much stuff to do. I got too much stuff to get done. It's our anniversary this weekend. Steven and I, we will be married for 21. Is it 21 or 22? 21 years. I can't remember. 20, 21, 27. It's all the same. But it's our anniversary, and he just wanted to do something. So, being that I got so much going on with all this renovation stuff and other stuff with business, I just couldn't just up and just be like going on a week-long vacation like I wanted to at one time. But you know, you gotta handle business first. So he was like, well, let's just do a quick little weekend, go down to the good old Floridas. I said, okay, that's fine. So we're gonna be going with my bestie boo, Crystal, and her husband. That's Sissy. That's my sissy poo and brother-in-law, basically. We done been family for too long. We're gonna go down there and we're gonna have a good old relaxation time, because I've just been stressed this week. I've been stressed. I've been having headaches. So I'm just gonna go, not think about work, not think about this house that's in shambles. And I'm just gonna go relax, chill, turn up, do whatever. Not too much turning up because I'm trying to relax. You know, this is not I don't think this is a turn up trip. Our next trip will be a turn up trip next month. But this trip, I think it's more of a pre-gaming for the next one. I'm old, so I gotta take it easy. I can't do too much back to back. Excuse me. So, yeah, so we're gonna be going out of town. I got a couple of spots. I'm taking y'all with me. Y'all know that. Y'all ain't even gotta ask. I heard y'all in the back. Can we go? Yes, you can come. Of course. Put on your seatbelt. Let's go. I'm taking y'all with me. I got a couple of spots that I want to go at. I don't know what Crystal got on the itinerary or what she want to do, but I definitely want to go to Green Papaya. I've never been, but I've heard great things, and I'm gonna go. Steven wants to hit up the cigar spot on the that's near the beach that we go at when we go down there, and he gets his hand rolled cigars. Yeah, so I don't know what else we gonna do, but whatever's in store, y'all are gonna come too. I don't like how this man look right here with this beard, this hat, and this sunglasses. He looking very peculiar. I'm gonna pay attention to the license tag when he I'm gonna pay attention to the license tag when he drive off. What the hell she park? God, there's too much going on in this parking lot. People parking crazy. The lady just started to hit the truck. This man here looking like Jeffrey Dahmer wannabe. I'm about to move anyway. I'm just parked here until I'm done with my lunch. And I'm going into my appointment. Why is he over here staring at me? Sir, you don't want me to go in this glove compartment. Does anybody else just love being by themselves? Or is something wrong with me? I just like being by myself. I enjoy my own company. I just be having my own little personal jam session. I take however long I want to take when I'm in the store. Yes, I said store. However, wherever I stop to eat at, I take my time. Because when you're by yourself, you're on your own time. You're not on anybody else's time. You don't have to worry about what somebody else got to do or where they got to go. Or when you're by yourself, it's just everything. I'm just chilling in the cut. You know, when I'm by myself, I'm sorry. I'm a nice person. But when I'm by myself, I don't do all that. I don't do a lot of talking because I'm also paranoid. People crazy. You might get too close and spray something on me that can knock me out. No. Stay over there. You can ask me a question from over there. Don't come up and walk up on me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, especially if I'm by myself. Don't do that. The world we live in, honey, there's some evil, wicked, mean people out there. Oh, that's cute. Her outfit is real cute. Yes, girl. She is giving spring, summer, Sunday, walking downtown shopping vibes. Yes. It's a big Thursday, and that's what she giving. I hear that. Very cute. Oh, now y'all, Jeffrey Dahmer Jr. is leaving after he done stared me down. What's his tag number? I'm probably not going to remember it as soon as I put up. But if it's on the news, it's going to pop back. I'm going to be like, that's the same truck I saw in Chipotle parking lot. Oh, yeah, I'm getting so now. Enough. After I just got one corner left in the bowl, now I'm getting full. I know this video was a bunch of nothing, but I still wanted to bring something. Don't y'all want to see my face for at least once a week? Because going forward, I'm promising once a week. But I may bump it up. You might get another video thrown in there one day. 1 week might be twice a week. You just never know. You just never know. I'm going to go ahead and head out over now to my appointment. put all the stuff in the trash. Thank y'all so much for chatting with me on today's video. And I will see y'all next time. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, you went flying big and spur. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went sitting